two of science's most controversial yet stupid topics. Whether you argue that Earth has edges or somehow California hasn't been burning down for months, you're wrong. Today, I'll prove it. I believe if Earth were flat, climate change wouldn't exist. I know for a fact that climate change exists. How? Well, according to the Royal Society, Earth's global average temperature has risen due to an increase in greenhouse gases emitted by human activity by nearly 2 degrees Fahrenheit a year since 1900. Also, the past 4 decades have been warmer than any since around 1850. Lastly, changes in rainfall, clouds, sea levels, melting ice, and bird migration patterns prove climate change exists. Climate change has caused flooding downpours. Every 1 degree Fahrenheit increase in oceans, lakes, and soil, which allows the atmosphere to hold about 4% more water vapor. With more rain, obviously comes more clouds. Clouds trap these greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, causing temperatures to rise. Statistics have proven sea levels are rising exponentially quickly. This is typically due to glaciers and melting ice sheets, which previously floated on top of water. As the sea levels rise, land will become swallowed by the surrounding bodies of water. This is unfortunate because Earth is already 70% water, and that will only really increase. With less accessible land, we won't be able to farm or grow enough food to sustain our growing population. For this, we will turn to deforestation. Cutting down trees will also increase climate change and levels of CO2 in the atmosphere. Bird migration patterns have also changed, proving climate change is a current crisis, not just for us humans, but all animals. Birds have started migrating earlier each spring as winters have become shorter. These warmer temperatures also explain why the leaves on trees aren't changing colors as quickly as most years. Plus, ash causes trees to turn even later. So with our current fire situation, it's very clear why chlorophyll levels aren't dropping, changing the colors of the leaves. So how would this not be the case if the Earth were flat? The answer really depends on what Earth would look like if it were flat. But for starters, a flat Earth would be defying gravity. Gravity condenses large items like our planet into spheres. And don't get me started that you don't believe in gravity. Without gravity, nothing would be able to stay on Earth. Water would float away and high sea levels would be no problem because there would instead be no sea levels. So what about the birds? They don't let gravity stop them from flying. That may be true, however, inconsistent weather patterns caused by climate change have an impact on the birds and when they migrate. Climate change can also make it harder for birds to build nests. Lastly, weather. Heavy rains, such as cyclones, for example, would not be possible. Cyclones rely on Earth's rotation to happen. If Earth were flat, rain would likely happen every day. If you want to learn more about how that's possible, check out the link below. I found an article that was very helpful to understand how rain would work on a flat Earth. And, well, we all know it doesn't rain every day here on Earth, at least in most places, proving Earth is a sphere and climate change is real. The next time you meet someone who says something about flat Earth or climate change not existing, show them this video. Until then, I hope I can see you all next time. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share the video. But for now, peace.